Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Om's Worldly Travels. I'm here in Bali, Indonesia, at the Holiday Inn Resort Baruna Bali, and I'd like to take you guys around the various accommodation areas of this resort. And firstly, I'd like to welcome back my channel subscribers. And if you're new at my channel today, you're most welcome. And please consider to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And for those who are returning to this channel, I hope that you enjoy this video and take away any tips that I'd like to share with you about my stay in Bali. So I'm standing here near a large fish pond, and it's part of the design of these accommodation areas, having that water feature, water fountain with lush green gardens all around. It's just so amazing. It's that tropical feel, and you can see that the landscaping is maintained to its highest standards. So this resort has three floors, level 1, 2, and 3, and all these rooms, they are located kind of in a zigzag pattern. So there's clear signage, so you can't really get lost if you're somewhere at the end of the building and you want to go back to the lobby. So very clearly marked areas. We can see here that this will be the way to the lobby. There's a tea tree spa. This way is going to the beach. There's a swimming pool. The breakfast in the palms. There's a kids club as well, some shops and meeting rooms. So we'll walk around and have a look at these various areas here. Something I like about this design is they don't have the fish pond in all the sections of the hotel. So this area is just plain water feature. There's no fountain, but with these large pot plants, it gives that nice open feel of this resort. So very popular with families. Seeing a lot of families with young children and teen adult children, and the accommodation options are abundant. They've got rooms that face the garden here. They've got rooms with balconies. So it's very well spaced out. One of the good things that I like is these gazebos, so everyone just hangs out here and provide some shaded areas as well. That's the pool bar. Everyone's at breakfast now. And that's the beach bar, I think. Some water pressure cleaning happening here. Good. You might go from here. We'll check out the tea tree spa, and guests can choose to have their treatments there, and you'll see that it's set in very beautiful surroundings. This is the tea tree spa. Fish need attention when they see guests. These are the different treatment rooms. So this room is called Unwind, and this one's called Indulge. Morning. Morning. Good morning. And this is the way to the beach. It's a magnificent resort. And having this this little path just right at the back of this resort, it's great because you know well, we'll conclude our video here, and I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, and please like, subscribe and share my channel, and thank you for your support. Take care, all the best, goodbye.